Welcome. Now we'll go to the principles of Apple company, and we'll understand what are those principles. Uh, these principles made Apple company 2 trillion US dollar company in 2020. Okay, what Apple company's principles say? They say the first principle, we believe that we are on the face of the earth to make great products. Like, they want to be extremely great. Nobody should touch them. That is the first principle. Like, they want to be face of earth, on the face of earth to make great products. Second, we believe in the simple, not the complex. They actually, Steve Jobs, he was a visionary person. He also came to India to understand uh, all the, he did meditation, all Zen and other Neem Karoli Baba, he visited there also. He then he understood that simplicity is actual sophistication, as said by Leonardo da Vinci, and uh, that principle is there. So when he realized, when he was in India and other countries, he realized, when he studied big people, like big innovators, so he realized we believe in a simple and not a complex. Like, he had that insight, he realized, and that principle is there. We believe in the simple, not the complex, and he made technology simple. One button phone, iPhone, um, like iPod, very simple products. Okay, and third principle is we believe that we need to own and control the primary technology behind the product we make. They also, like, they were also behind and in front, they were there. They said that we own the primary technology behind the products we make. Like, they control the design of the product, they know and they control that. Alright, because they have made the design. Then fourth principle is we participate only in markets where we can make a significant contribution. Okay, when you use Apple products, you really feel like you are using technology, and you are secure, you are uh, they have a privacy, and you feel like you are having a great product. And uh, and uh, and they said that we want to be in markets where we can contribute. Okay, then we believe, fifth principle is we believe in saying no to the thousands of projects so that we can really focus on few that are truly important and meaningful to us. So he said, fifth principle, we say a lot of thousands of projects, we say no, because we really focus on some projects where we can add value, where we can truly they are meaningful, and that's what makes Apple company great. We believe, sixth principle, we believe in deep collaboration, cross pollination of our group, which allows us to innovate in a way that others cannot. Nobody touches you. So when you do cross pollination, deep collaboration, and so that nobody touches you. Okay, seventh principle, which makes Apple company 2 trillion US dollar company. Okay, we don't settle for anything less than excellence in every group in the company. We have the self honesty to admit that we are wrong. When we do something wrong, we accept it, admit it, and the courage to change will also change at top line, and the bottom line will follow. Okay, we'll do it at top line, bottom line will follow. We'll change the policies, principles, and it will follow. So thank you so much, guys. You are listening, you are understanding. Let me know what have you learned, how you're going to apply these principles. Also, rate us on Trustpilot, give your 5-star review. Thank you so much. Let's meet in next uh, concept 2. Like, when we focus on top line, bottom line will follow. So that is a beautiful concept. And why we are studying these principles? If you have strong principles, you can also become a $1 trillion company. like if you follow those principles rigorously and you have a vision and you take actions every day towards it. Okay, so let's go deep into it and go to the second concept, focus on top line. Okay, thank you so much.